How to fix destination mismatch in Google Ads. Now, first things first, let me go ahead and explain to you what is going on here, right? It's important to understand what's going on. So, in Google Ads, basically, destination mismatch is a policy to avoid redirecting visitors to a different URL with the aim of providing the most optimal user experience to visitors. So if your ads display URL suggests that it will take users to YouTube, but in reality, it redirects them to Facebook, you would not be able to run your ads because of a destination mismatch violation. So Google may disapprove of your ad if a user clicks on it and then gets redirected to a different website or page, as this practice does not align with their advertising policies. Okay? So here's how you go ahead and fix this issue. So if your Google ads continue to, face disapproval even after going ahead and implementing things like geo-targeting, you can consider reaching out to Google Ad support. You want to explain your situation to them, right? Come here and then click on appeal, right? Explain your situation to them, and then they may be able to manually approve of your ad after reviewing your case. So basically, rewriting an email. Just show your sincerity. Maybe explain how this was a honest mistake, and if you have a good history with them, go ahead and write that in as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. You just have to wait out, and you're at their mercy. And if it doesn't work out, you will have to create a new Google Ads account. So I hope this guide helped you out, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.